Listen guys, we've all been there. You're at the beach, at a show, or just out and about, and your speaker decides to blow out. Thanks to PROJECT360, that's no longer an issue. You simply grab your busted cone, twist, and pull it out. That simple. From there, you'll grab your recone kit, line it up, twist, and lock it in. Couldn't be easier. This is PROJECT360 by DS18, available in 6.5, 6x9, and 8-inch variations.
And come in 4 ohm and 8 ohm variations.
Thanks to its game-changing technology, the PROJECT360 series ensures that you have less downtime, more value, and more time just doing what you love, being loud. Let's go over some specs. Each model in the Ferrite series comes 300 watts RMS and 600 watts max power. They also have a 1.75-inch voice coil for those moments when you need reconing. So make sure to check out PROJECT360 by DS18. Perfect for doors, builds, slings, or anywhere you want to mount it to make it loud. Easy to rebuild and long-lasting, this is DS18. We like it loud.